Ino ni kambuni ya Lato Milk Distributors mwena wa Meru iria ene maratara hathara thutha wa maabitha DCI akuhurana na indo cia ngungo na iria itakinyanĩire ikĩro kũhobaniria kambuni ino na gũkua iria tani 23.1 cia mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 2.5 gũkĩrĩkana rĩtikinyanĩire ikĩro. Ene kambuni ino maugite undu uyu ni wa kuraga wonjoria mwena uyu na wa kuhingiriria igithia kuhura biashara mwena uyu wa Meru undu uria marakuruhania na ng'ethaniri yao biashara-ini ino ya iria. Oho makiuga undu uyu ni wa kiuteti kaunti-ini ya Meru.
This is political from my point of view. We have all the documents ready, even from the previous consignments. Today morning they raided the depot at around 7 in the morning. One of the persons who was leading the operation did not want to show us the ID. So you asked for the raid document. They didn't have any documents.
We have done all the certification, both East Africa and also in the country, Kenya. So these were are coming to Meru, they are threatening us, they are giving us all the threat that where are we selling milk in Meru, whereas we have so much milk. But as what we are doing here is a milk distribution business and it is allowed.
Manager wa kiganda giki augite mari na marua mothe ma uhuri wa biashara ino na matiuwi niki kiratuma indo ciao iria marauga ciumaga bururi wa Uganda cioyo hatari na gitumi gikinyaniru.
As you can see from the cameras, they're taking stocks worth almost 2.5 million as we speak, so which is a loss to us. They don't have any official documents for taking the stock.
It's a great concern because of what people are doing to us. I think is not something very fair, and it is, we can say it's very unfair.
Oho ni areganite na uhoro ati bagiti 20,000 cia iria ria mutu ria Lato itikinyanĩire ikĩro na ni cianyitirwo ni maabitha Parklands gũkũ Nairobi, akiuga o matire na kiganda gĩa gũthondeka iria amu iria riao marehaga rĩrĩa ithondeke na bagiti-inĩ cia long life.
The goods are verified by the Kenya Revenue Authorities, KRA, and the Kenya Bureau of Standards according to the documents we have over here. Manager
wa kambuni ino ni ugite muturire wake uri hatikaini kuria uritia ng'ethaniri yao kibiashara metikire gukorwo ucindani-ini uria urikuo wa kibiashara thutha wa kwirikana ati iria riria rirauma Uganda ni riroraga thoko ya iria guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritora kwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.